What's up, everybody? It is the 2nd of February 2026, and during this little drive I'll be driving. Look at that. I just got this new phone. It's an iPhone 17 base model because I don't need a Pro Max or a Pro, and I upgraded from a 14 Pro Max. So yeah, I didn't need it, and I don't think I needed it, and so here we are. Let's see how this quality here is. Should be the same as the other phone, but we can go ahead and give it a try. And we are about to jump on 75 North from the Richwood exit, and that is in Walton, Kentucky. And we're going up to, I don't know where we're going to. My phone just stops working and recording than it did, but we're going up to close to the airport area. And such and stuff and things. And it is Monday. And I had a VA appointment this morning, so they'll give me all the damn pills that I don't need, and when I'm trying to try again, and that's the Wellbutrin. I think it's for a bunch of things. It's either for anxiety or ADHD or something. I don't know. But I've had a couple little anxiety episodes in the past, but it's been some time. But I feel like once they hear about that, they kind of latch onto it and say, oh, well, we got to give you medication for that. It's like, well, it's not really the problem I'm having, but it's the VA, and they just like to throw pills at people. So that's just my take on it, you know. So I'm getting Wellbutrin. I think that's essentially for like maybe ADHD stuff. And, well, sometimes I have it. I don't think it's as bad as it could be. I mean, I can focus on some stuff. It's not a problem. But they're the experts, so it is what it is. So yeah, trying for that, just seeing what other programs they've got that I can get involved in. I was in a program called the Move program, and it was like teaching you how to eat healthier and food pyramid stuff, things that you can do, exercising, stuff like that. I liked it. It was pretty good. I've been out of that probably for 4 or 5 months now, and I've just maintained physical exercise as best as I can. But I'm still somewhat eating junk food, and I need to work on my portion size if I gotta keep it real, which I'll keep it real. So yeah. And maybe you can see what sort of like school things I can get into. Because I've already went to school for pharmacy technician. I was state certified and all that, or nationally certified or whatever. I did that. I got my CDLA with my doubles, triples, and hazmat, tanker. I've had all that. I'm no longer driving anymore for various reasons, but I ended up hurting myself, and I didn't know it. Popped a disc, and I was hunched over for like 3 months, and I was still going to work. But yeah, I didn't know it. I couldn't walk more than like 15 or 20 feet before I would get hot, start sweating. It was insane, painful. I didn't know if things would ever get better, but I kept going to work because, I mean, damn, dude, bills and stuff, you know, things like that. So I did get surgery. VA did the surgery on me, and man, 1,000 times better. I still am going to have issues, but at least I'm not having it like that. Plus, I've got an extra lumbar bone. Apparently, that's 7% of the population have an extra lumbar bone, and one of my children has an extra one, and I don't know about the others. But maybe I'll figure that out later and see if they have it. So, yeah. But it's supposed to be snowing here again. 1 to 3 inches in northern Kentucky. So we'll see how that is. And this and that, and I'll still make it to work.